Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form on System.io. This is a great way to let visitors reach out to you directly through your sales funnel, making it easier to capture leads and communicate with potential customers. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to System.io. Once you're there, log in using your credentials to access your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your funnels and pages. After logging in, look at the top toolbar and navigate to Sites. From there, select Sales Funnels. This section houses all the funnels you've created, and it's where you'll add your contact form as a new step within an existing funnel. Next, click on the funnel where you want to create the contact form. This will open up the funnel editor, showing you all the current steps in your sales funnel. You might see pages like landing pages, thank you pages, or other funnel steps you've already set up. Now, in the bottom left corner of the page, you'll see a button that says Add Step. Go ahead and click on it. This action allows you to insert a new page into your funnel, which in this case will be your contact form. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter details for this new step. In the first field, type a name for your step. For example, you can call it contact form or something similar that makes it easy to identify later. Next, navigate to the Type section. Click on the drop-down menu below it, and from the list of options, select Contact Us page. This tells System.io that you want this step to function as a contact form. Once you've made your selection, click Save to confirm. After saving, you'll be presented with a selection of contact form templates. Browse through the available options and select your preferred template by clicking on it. Each template is pre-designed to make your contact form look professional and functional right out of the box. Once you've chosen a template, a right panel will appear. In this panel, click Edit Page to open the page editor. This is where the customization begins. Now you can start editing your contact form. You'll be able to rename fields, adjust text, change colors, and modify any information to match your brand and the specific details you want to collect from visitors. Take your time here to make sure everything looks and functions exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've successfully created a contact form on System.io. Now your visitors have a direct way to get in touch with you through your sales funnel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.